As part of our education license, when you have created your teacher area, under each resource you'll find the services eduMedia Studio offers. With the Favorite button, you can put your resources in your folders for easy retrieval later. Video Capture helps you create your personalized video capsules. You can manipulate the animation while recording your voice. Please watch the video called Video Capture to learn more about this service. With the Share option, you can share this resource or incorporate it into all your documents in authenticated mode. Please watch the video called Sharing a Resource to learn more about this service.